welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing really well. Today I'm gonna try something different and I really like watching these videos, so I'm hoping you do too. The videos, basically I've picked like a favorite from each month for the whole year. So starting from Jan I've done until June, and so that's 6 items that I think like maybe you guys will really like also, because I personally really like them, and so I'm gonna like talk about them. And they're not just, like makeup, they are also like other bits and bobs. I don't know. And yeah, so this is a lipstick I'm wearing. It's the Kiko Milano Unlimited Double Touch Liquid Lip. So it comes with the base color and then it comes with the lip gloss. So you apply the base color, let it dry like 100%, and then go in with the lip gloss. And I believe that it's gonna last all day long, in that like if you eat or drink something, just the shine will come off but the liquid color will still stay. Okay, so for the month of June, my favorite is this. It's the Apple Watch. I got the Apple Watch SE. I thought about it for very, very, very long, and then finally I got it in Jan. And I wish I got a different color, because like the strap gets really dirty. Can you see how dirty it is? Like I wish I got black or something. But yeah, this has been like life-changing in many ways, because I already have an iPhone. Like the notifications that like I'm able to see quickly on this is like the best. And also when you wear your Apple Watch, it's easier to open your iPhone. Like it can automatically open your iPhone. Like your phone can open your watch, and your watch can open your phone, and that is so handy when you have a mask on. Like I just find it so, I don't know, so cool. Technology is so cool. And also, just I bought it for the reasons of like wanting to wear it when I work out, and I have not been working out at all, but it's still on those occasional days where I do find the motivation. I find this thing like helping me want to do it. Like I don't know, I feel like when I wear this watch as opposed to like my other regular wristwatches, I'm more likely to like walk more. It, I feel, is like a fruitful purchase. So for the month of February, my favorite is this. It's the Birds of Paradise hair color. I tried this Comrie purple color, and because my hair was already bleached, it kind of became pinkish. But let me tell you, the experience of applying this color was just so like easy. Like it was so not messy. They themselves gave gloves and like a brush and everything, and using that I found it like so easy to apply the color. But more importantly, it did not damage the hair at all. In fact, it kind of made it more smooth. Like it somehow made my hair softer, and like more manageable for the time that the color was actually on my hair. And obviously it's not like permanent color, it washes off, which means you can like experiment with all the colors that they have. So yeah, big shout out to this brand. I think it's also made like without any harmful ingredients, and even like without ammonia. I was gonna say anemia. It's made without ammonia, and I think it even smells good. Yeah, it smells amazing actually. It does not, it's basically like a very revolutionized box dye. Like it's a much nicer box dye, and I think we needed something like this in India for so long, and I'm so glad it's finally here. I have like 3 other colors that they sent me that I really want to try in the coming months. Maybe I will, but you should definitely check out this brand if you're someone who is like interested in hair color. For the month of March, we have this face mask. This is the Origins Retexturizing Mask with rose clay. I've used this mask previously before in 2018. I made someone repurchase it for me and bring it all the way from the UK because of just how much I love this mask. Like it's literally unparalleled. It's so good at reducing, like, you know, those fine bumps that I keep complaining about, or like those bumps under the skin that are actually not pimples but like just texture. You can even see it on my forehead right now. Like there's just like tiny boils under the skin that just never seem to go away. This one gets rid of it. Like it's so good. Like I mean, if you can get your hands on this, you just need to get your hands on it. It works so beautifully well at reducing texture. For me, that's been my experience, but obviously there's no guarantee that you will face the same experience. but yeah, it's a great product. For the month of April, we have Max Stack. I discovered Max Stack in the month of April. I think they launched it in early April, but I got my hands on it end of April, and my life has changed since then. I used to wear the Kiko Milano lash primer every single day and then follow it up with mascara, and with this mascara I don't need to do that. Like this, like I'm wearing it right now, and can you just see how so beautiful it looks? It just volumizes, lengthens, but more than lengthens, I feel like it volumizes, and that's what I like in my mascaras. And yeah, it's been such an amazing mascara. Like I reach out to it almost every single day when I'm doing like my everyday makeup, because it's just cut like a whole step in my makeup routine but gives me the same effect. So yeah, I highly recommend this one. I even ended up getting my cousin to get me a full size of this because of how much I liked it. And the best part is it is not waterproof, so it like washes off at the end of the day. Like I just love mascaras that wash off. I don't like waterproof mascaras, and this one gives me the effect of a waterproof mascara, but it's still not waterproof and thereby easy to remove. So yeah, best mascara. Okay, so for the month of May, we have this Kate Spade bag. I don't know a better way to show you this bag. I'll insert an image of it and I'll also have it linked. You can go check it out, but it's the best bag. I thought about it so much before I actually bought it, and like I'm the kind of person that like sees if I can remember that something for a couple of months, and then if I do, I buy it. So this was one of those purchases. I think the first time I saw this bag was in like 2021 sometime, like middle of the year, and I thought about this bag for like so long. Every time I would go to the store, I would like hold it, caress it, and be like, wow, I wish you were in my life, and then leave. And then finally I got it. So yeah, I love it. It's a huge bag. Let me just say, it's not for the like tiny bag carrying people. It is for the kind of people that like big totes. So this is one of those bags. I like to carry big bags, and I like to stuff my bag with a lot of unnecessary stuff. So yeah, this is just my style. And I also like especially love that this handle is so long. It's not like a tiny shoulder bag kind of bag. Like it's actually really nice. Now we're at the last month, and the favorite for this month is this book. It's called The People on Platform 5. I think there is a different name also for this book, but I randomly got it from the store based off of like Goodreads recommendations. This one had like a really high rating, and I would put it in the same bucket as this book called A Man Called Ove. If you've ever read that book, you will love this book because they're along the same lines. Or even if you've read this book called Eleanor Oliphant is completely fine. They are all in the same like feel good category, and it is really feel good. Like I've been trying to like nicely cherish reading this book and not like be hastily reading it because of how nice it's written. It's very simple also. It's not like overly complicated storylines, or it's not like an overly complicated language in which it's written. It's very simple, it's very everyday English, but like it's a very heartwarming story. I haven't even finished the book and I'm recommending it to you. That's how much I like it. But I also really hope like the book doesn't disappoint. But yeah, this is my favorite for the month of June. So that brings us to the end of the video. 6 things that I think are like my personal faves from 2022 thus far. I'm gonna link all of them in the description box and you can check it out. And yeah, like I said, I hope you enjoy this format of video. It's kind of different, but let's just see. We'll see you next week with another one. Let me know what you want to see. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe because I make content that I think you might find useful. And in the week that I don't post, like during the week between Saturday and Saturday, if you miss me, you can find me on Instagram. It's the same username as my YouTube. It's at Yoshiness. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye.